Buon après-midi, madame.
Buon après-midi.
Buon après-midi, madame.
Bon après-midi. Bonjour.
Madame. Bonjour.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va. Ça va.
D'accord, très bien. Answer, that's your wall background?
Oui, madame.
That's your walls paint?
Oui, madame.
Oh, nice painting.
Thank you, madame.
Only this much. And then in the last class, we started lesson 0, right? Lesson 0 we started and we almost completed that chapter. The exercises are remaining to discuss. Exercises are remaining. So lesson 0, those who have textbook, they can take your textbook. Page with. Page with. Page with means page 8. Page with. Lesson 0, bienvenue en France. Bienvenue en France means welcome to
France.
France.
Welcome to France.
And this is the, what is this? This is the map of France. This is the map of France, and here they have mentioned 4 major cities of France. First one is Paris, which is the capital city of France. Which is the capital city of France, and here in Paris we have the beautiful Eiffel Tower there, Le Tour Eiffel, and there is a beautiful river which passes through Paris. Name of the river which passes through Paris is Seine. Seine. That is the name of the river which passes through Paris. River name. River name. Which passes through Paris. And then the second city is Lyon. Lyon. Which one is the third one?
Lyon.
Marseille. How will you pronounce it?
Marseille.
Then the fourth one? Bordeaux. Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Bordeaux. And there is, here we have the French flag. What will we say for the French flag? Drapeau français. Drapeau français means the French flag. Drapeau français is the French flag, and there are 3 colors in the French flag: bleu,
Blanc.
oui, bleu, blanc, not blanc, bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge. How will you pronounce it? Bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu is blue, and blanc, white. Then rouge, red. Oui, bleu, blanc, rouge. All sweet. The next page. Bonjour mes amis. Qu'est-ce que c'est amis? Qu'est-ce que c'est amis? Friends. Oui, amis means friends. Oui. Hello friends. Bonjour mes amis means hello friends. D'accord.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning. It's noon for us. You just woke up?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of excuse?
Which one?
Excuse.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is it? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is it? D'accord. And then France. France is taken from the word or the name France is taken from a Latin word called Francia, which means country of France. Franc means the French people. Country of France means the French people. This word France is taken from the Latin word Francia, which means the country of the France. And then, and Edwin, can you try to read these words? Edwin, first one.
Fromage.
Oui. Then
Escargot.
oui. Then
Hexagon.
go.
Hexagon.
Then
Then Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Not Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Edwin, it is not the Tour de France. Unmute.
Tour de France.
Not France. France in French is France. Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Oui. Then next one.
Parfum.
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 Oui. Then
Baguette.
baguette. D'accord. Fromage. Fromage means cheese. Cheese are very famous in France. One of the famous cheese from France is Le Camembert. There are another Brie, Gruyere. These are the famous cheeses from France. Also,
famous brand of cheese, we need to note it out.
and now you don't have to note it. This year you don't have. This in the next level of this book, they will you will have to learn. In the next level of this book, this volume 0, you don't have to learn the names of the cheese. Okay. Then escargot. Escargot means snail. The French people, they eat snails. Then hexagon. It is not hexagon. N is not silent here. Hexagon. It's the nickname of France, and that nickname is because of the shape of the map. Because of the shape of the map, France is having a nickname that is hexagon. Ensuite, Tour de France. Tour de France is the great bicycle race of France which occurs every year in France, and that contains of 21 stages each per day. It's a long great bicycle race. Also parfum. Parfum means perfume. Perfumes are also very famous. One of the famous perfume brand from France is Chanel. That name also now, but this time you don't have to learn next year. Okay, next volume you will have to learn the names of the perfumes as well. Now you don't have to. Just keep in mind perfumes are also very famous in France. Also,
Ma'am, can I read?
can I?
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait. Then one more point, that is baguette. Qu'est-ce que c'est baguette? French bread. Baguette is the French bread, and as you can see in the picture, French bread will be long and thin. It will be crispy and hard from outside. Inside, it will be soft. The French people love this French bread as well. It's very tasty. Okay, then Aditi, you can read. Aditi.
I have one doubt, ma'am.
Oui, who?
And Fida Fatima.
Oui, Fida. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Second one, ma'am.
Second one, escargot. Escargot. Ending letter T will be silent. Oui. Aditi, you can read, Aditi.
Fromage.
Fromage.
Escargot. No. Hexagon. Tour de France.
Tour de, how will you read that? Not France. France. Oui.
Parfum. Baguette.
Oui, très bien. Nandita?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oui.
Bonjour, mes amis means good morning to friends.
Good morning, friends, or hello, friends.
Okay, ma'am.
Oui. And Nandita, you can read.
Yes, ma'am. Before that, perfume, what we will pronounce?
Before Tour de France.
No, ma'am. Perfume.
Parfum.
Okay, ma'am.
Oui.
Fromage. Escargot. Hexagon. Tour de France. Parfum. Bagwet.
D'accord, très bien. Ensuite, the next page, we also discussed this page also. First one is Festival de Cannes. Festival de Cannes is the international film festival which occurs every year in France. Cannes is another city in France. There they will organize this international film festival. So addition to the 4 major cities in France, Cannes is also another city in France. And the pronunciation will be Cannes.
It shows short films, right?
Wait, short film, not only short films, all kinds of films they will show here. Okay, Festival de Cannes. Ensuite, the Tour Eiffel. Tour Eiffel is the Eiffel Tower, and this Eiffel Tower is having 3 floors. There is having 2 restaurants in it and 8 elevators in it. Okay, big one, and it is a very beautiful monument and most visited place in France. Ensuite, Joconde. Joconde is the painting of Mona Lisa. Oui, it's the painting of Mona Lisa, and this very famous Mona Lisa painting is done by the great Italian artist, painter Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. Ensuite, Musée du Louvre. Again, Musée du Louvre is a museum in France. In Louvre. Louvre is again another city in France. Louvre is another city in France, and there we have the museum, Musée du Louvre, and here we have the famous painting collections also, and one of the famous painting that we have here in Musée du Louvre is Joconde, Mona Lisa painting. Then also Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte is a great emperor in France, first emperor of France. D'accord.
Ma'am, Musée du Louvre is located in a palace, right?
Yes, it is inside a palace. This museum is inside a palace. Musée du Louvre. Musée du Louvre. I'll do one thing today after the class. I will be sending the audio of this words in the WhatsApp. Okay? D'accord. Ensuite. Oh, okay. No one read this, no? Let me. Pranava, you can read. Wait. Pranava, unmute and read.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Festival de Cannes. Festival de Cannes. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Continue.
Tour Eiffel. Joconde. Musée du Louvre. Napoleon Bonaparte.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Oui, d'accord. Aaron?
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes.
Festival de Cannes. Tour Eiffel. Joconde. Musée du Louvre.
Oui, d'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, here we have the exercises from this chapter. Let's start with the exercises. All of you take your pencil to do the textbook exercise. Take your pencil. Page number 13. Page 13. Page 13. Page number 13. Match the column. Fromage. Buddha, fromage will match with
D. Cheese.
cheese. Oui, d'accord. Tour de France. Rana Fatima. Tour de France.
Yes, ma'am.
Tour de France. You will match with?
Bicycle race of France.
Oui, d'accord. Ensuite, parfum. Chris Joe, parfum. Perfume, d'accord. Ensuite, la Joconde. Fia Maria? La Joconde.
Painting.
Oui, d'accord, très bien. Ensuite, Anusri, Festival de Cannes. Festival de Cannes.
Film festival.
Oui. Ensuite, 6, escargot. Anthony Joel, Escargot.
Nail.
Oui, d'accord.
Ma'am, next page we have.
We will discuss.
Let
Ma'am, how to pronounce Leonardo da Vinci?
You are Leonardo da Vinci, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Leonardo da Vinci. A few will say that Da Vinci also, Da Vinci, like that also.
Okay, ma'am.
Moving to the next page. Second exercise, arrange the letters in order and find the French word. These letters are given in the jumbled order. So we are not able to find the word. You have to arrange these letters to find the correct word. Aaron, you got? Aaron?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
By mistake,
First one. What is first one? Edwin?
Yes, ma'am. Fromage.
Fromage, oui. Fromage. Ensuite, second one.
Bienvenue.
Oui, bienvenue. Make sure you are writing with your pencil. Ensuite, the third one.
France.
France, très bien. Edwin himself is saying this, all this?
no, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Others also, okay. Ensuite, second, fourth one.
Paris.
Paris, oui, très bien, Vaiga. Paris. Ensuite, fifth one. Parfum, très bien. Parfum. Parfum, right. Oui, d'accord.
I'm over. Next is we need to find the word, right?
Oui. Find the words in the grill for the pictures given below. Here few pictures are given below. You have to find the words in this grill.
Found it, ma'am.
Found? Pooja?
Yes, ma'am. I found it.
Which one you found, Pooja?
Cargo. Napoleon Bonaparte.
Oui, Napoleon Bonaparte is ici. Escargot found? Escargot, oui. Escargot.
Ma'am, Torifel.
Oui. Ensuite?
Louvre.
Louvre, oui, Louvre. Baguette, oui, baguette.
Fromage.
Fromage is already marked.
Ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, I am here. I am giving time for them to complete.
I already complete before.
There are few still completing. Okay, so waiting for them.
Ma'am, I already complete on the November.
So shall we move to the next page? Nandita? Clear, Nandita?
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord. Ensuite, move to the next page. Can you guess? Here one word answers. Can you guess? I am the tallest structure in France. Please mute. And my name is Krishna. Which one? Answer is? Tour Eiffel. We. Right? Tour Eiffel. Tour Eiffel.
Ma'am, next can I?
Ma'am, first one is to refill, right?
Oui, to refill. Ensuite, second one, I was the emperor of France. Anthony Joel, I was the emperor of France.
Ma'am, can I Nandita?
Ma'am, Fida.
Oui,
Nandita?
oui, Nandita.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Oui, Napoleon Bonaparte. Right, everyone?
Ma'am, I have muted, ma'am, that's why.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Bonaparte.
Napoleon Bonaparte. Ensuite, I am a beautiful river in France. I pass through Paris. Ephraim,
Slang.
Ephraim. I am a beautiful river in France. I pass through Paris. Ephraim, give me the answer, Ephraim. Ephraim, your mic is muted. I am a beautiful river in France. I pass through Paris. Ephraim, can you please unmute?
Ma'am, can I?
No responses from Ephraim. He won't respond to anything?
Ma'am, sometime.
Only sometime. Oui, Prinova.
Ma'am, I think he is not hearing.
Not sign. CN.
Ma'am, CN.
CN. SEINE. CN.
CN.
Oui. CN. CN. SEINE. CN. I am long and thin, hard outside and soft inside. The French love to eat me.
Ma'am, can I?
Oui. Nandita.
Baguette.
Baguette. Oui. Baguette. Baguette.
Madam, two T's are there.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Baguette.
Oh, oui.
Baguette.
Ensuite, I am the most important city in France. I shelter the tower, Eiffel Tower, and many other monuments. Oui, Anusri? Paris.
Paris.
I am the French flag. I have 3 colors. Rana Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
I am the French flag. I have 3 colors. Name of the French flag is?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Rana, try.
Drapeau France.
Oui, drapeau français. Drapeau français. All of you, right? Drapeau français.
Remember. Ma'am, the river name is SEINE.
SEINE. Sienne. SEINE. Sienne.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the name of the river, L is pronounced.
N. Oui, N is pronounced CN.
Ma'am, not N, L.
N is not there. SEINE.
Okay.
SEINE. Wait. SEINE. CN. Okay, so with this, we came to the end of this chapter. Then here in the 6th exercise, you will 6 stickers are available in behind the textbook. 6 stickers are available. You can take the sticker and paste it here. Fromage picture, escargot picture, tour refill picture, Louvre picture, Baguette picture, Joconde, So these stickers you can take it from the back side of the textbook and stick it here.
Madam, before that, listen and say also.
That we don't have to do.
Now we should do.
And now can we do?
No, later you can do. Okay, no problem. So everyone completed the exercises. Is anyone still pending?
No, ma'am.
D'accord. Okay. Now next thing what we have to do is the notebook checking. There are few have those who have to show the notebooks. Okay.
Ma'am, I have shown.
Ma'am,
Okay. Wait. I will call according to the number I have noted here. I have noted the names here. According to that I will call. Okay. Wait. To write and study, all have to write and study the words in lesson 0. Write and study the 4 important cities in France. That spelling you have to write and study. Then drapeau français, those things also you have to write and study. Oui, I saw. Très bien. Ensuite, famous things from France. Page number 9, 10, 11, 12. All the words, new words from the lesson 0, you have to write and study in your book for 5 times. D'accord?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oui, Rana, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, our chapter finished. Lesson 0 finished.
Lesson 0 is completed. I will be sharing the notes soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Lesson 1, those who haven't completed lesson 1, complete and show me this week itself. You have to send to my WhatsApp number. Notes. Okay. Now after this class, now itself I am going to share the names of the students. Show me the notes. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir, madam.